This video will show you how to bleed the brakes on a Chrysler Town Country. The master cylinder will be located under the driver's side of the hood, and of course you'll have a bleeder screw attached to each one of your calipers behind your wheels. A quick note about doing this, you will want to have some brand new .3 or .4 brake fluid and some parts cleaner. Let's get into it. Now, prior to removing the master cylinder cap, I want to make sure nothing falls inside. I'm just going to use a clean rag and a quick wipe along this outer edge here. Let's get started on the brake bleed. We're at the master cylinder. We always like to remove as much fluid from inside the master cylinder reservoir as possible and replace it with brand new fluid first. Go ahead and use a fluid extractor. Locate the cap, remove it. A quick inspection of the seal, confirming it's not swollen or damaged in any way. This does look good. Let's go ahead and remove as much fluid from this as possible and replace it with .3 or .4 brake fluid. There we are. Just wipe down any drips. Reinstall that cover. Now when we start our brake bleed, we're going to bleed the brakes in a specific sequence. We're starting on the driver's side rear. We're going to make our way to the passenger side front. After we've bled both of those brakes, we have to stop at the master cylinder. We're going to top it off. Continuing on, we're going to make our way to the right rear and then the left front. The process will be the same for each of these. So of course I have my collection receptacle here. I'm going to remove my bleeder screw cover. I'll use my collection receptacle, a 10mm wrench on the bleeder screw. Now before I open this, I'm going to ask the person inside of the vehicle to pump the brakes approximately 3 times, and they're going to hold it. They're going to let me know they're holding it, and I'm going to open up the bleeder screw. We're paying attention in this area. We want to make sure we see only clean brake fluid making its way out with no air bubbles. Repeat this process as many times as you deem fit. Go ahead and pump the brake pedal, please. Okay, you can release, thank you. At this point, I feel as though I've completed the brake bleeding process on my driver's side rear. I have only clean fluid making its way out and no air. Obviously, on your vehicle, repeat the process as many times as necessary. Now, just as I mentioned, the next wheel that we're going to move to after we've finished cleaning and installing our boot here is to our passenger side front. We're going to repeat this process there. All right, on to the passenger side front. Passenger side front now. I don't have a bleeder screw cover here. You would want to remove it. We have our collection receptacle. Go ahead and pump up that brake pedal, please. Go ahead and pump. Go ahead and pump. This is looking good. Let's try it one more time here. Go ahead and pump, please. Okay. You can release, thank you. Remove my collection receptacle. We'll clean up any mess. As you saw, I had only clean fluid making its way out, no air. Once you clean, obviously, if you have a bleeder screw cover, reinstall that now. Now at this point, you're going to want to make your way to that master cylinder. We want to make sure we top it off so it doesn't go low and of course draw in any air, in which case we'd have to re-bleed the brakes. Once you've topped off that master cylinder, you're going to the passenger side rear. Go ahead and bleed that caliper the same way as I showed you on the driver's side rear. After that, you're making your way to the driver's side front. You're going to bleed the front caliper the same way I just showed you at the passenger side front. After that, just make sure you top off that master cylinder one last time. Okay, friend, we finished with our vehicle brake bleed. At this point, of course, we want to make sure we clean any mess. We're going to double check for leaks. The torque for each one of your wheel lug nuts will be 100 foot-pounds. After you've done that, go ahead and pump up your brake pedal, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.